So today we're gonna do a very easy modification on my E36. We're gonna swap out to LED light on the registration plate in the back. I know it's not a big deal, but it makes a huge difference when you see it in the dark. So I have never swapped it out before, so it's gonna be fun. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video if you like it. And we're also gonna fix the top rings in the back for the suspension. As you can see, it's a little bit too high, and yeah, the new suspension just sitting here and waiting. So that we're also gonna fix today. So under the trim here you have 4 screws that you have to release. So here we have the light for the registration plate. It's LED like I said, and it looks like this. Looks pretty nice, and I bought it from Amazon. It only cost 25 USD dollars, so pretty cheap, and a very cheap modification to a car that makes a small difference, but in the same time a huge difference. So let's install those. And just to compare the old and the new ones, I think they have never ever changed those before since 92, so it was time to change those. Oh, I can see already now it's lighting up so much better than the old ones. Sheesh! I'm very happy with the results, and I'm gonna show a compare from the old one when it's dark. So here you can see before and after. So first the car was too low because I removed one of the lock mechanism for the spring, and now I have put that back and are on the lowest now because it was maybe a half centimeter too low. This I almost rubbered the wheelhouse with the tire. It was the here. On this side now we can see it was rubbering. So I hope this height is gonna be perfect. So we're also gonna put on this, you know, level of details. It looks amazing. They're so cute. So, finally done with today's video, and yeah, I think I have got a really nice height on the back of the car also, and the LED license plate LED light, yeah, looks amazing. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna show some nice picture of the car now when it's almost looking done. So look here, it looks nice. So thank you for watching, and see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.